So we are going to solve this Olympiad math problem. So with this, we can say that a plus b is equal to 100. We name it as our equation 1. Then a multiplied by b is also equal to 100 as the equation 2. So with this, from here, we can say that from equation 1, our b is equal to 100 minus a, okay? So we can say that we put b into equation 2, okay? So we put b into equation 2. So this one becomes our equation 3. Okay, so when you substitute b into equation 2, we get a into bracket 100 minus a, which is equal to 100. Okay, so when you expand the bracket, you're going to get 100a minus a squared is equal to 100. So can we arrange this as a squared minus 100a plus 100 is equal to 0. Okay, so from here, our a is 1, b is equal to negative 100, c is 100. So using the quadratic formula, which is a is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac on 2a. Now we are going to get negative bracket negative 100 plus or minus root of negative 100 squared minus 4 times 1 multiplied by 100 and 2 bracket 1. So our a is equal to 100 plus or minus root of 9,600 on 2. Okay, so with this, you know that we can rewrite it as 100 plus or minus root of 100 multiplied by 96. Okay, so on 2. Let's continue from here. So now a is equal to 100 plus or minus root of 100 multiplied by 96. So from here, you can say that 96, this 96 is equal to 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 times 6. So we can rewrite our equation as 100 plus or minus root of 100 times 4 times 4 times 6 all on 2. So we are now going to get a is equal to 100 on 3 plus or minus square root of 100 is 10. Okay, multiplied by square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of the other 4 2 is 2, then it's 6. Okay, all on 2. So from here, you can say that 100 divided by 2 is 50. Plus or minus, now this one, it will be 10 times 2, which is 20. So the 2 cancel this. So it's going to be 20 root of 6. Okay, so now get a1 to be 50 plus 20 root 6. Then our A2 is going to be the negative sign, which is 50 minus 20 root of 6. Okay. So now we said that B is equal to 100 minus A. Okay. So now we can say that B1 is equal to 100 minus bracket 50 plus 20 root of 6. Okay. And we are going to get 100 minus 50 minus 20 root of 6, which is equal to 100 minus 50 is 50. So 50 minus 20 root of 6. So now our A1 is A1 B1 is equal to our A1 we had 50 plus 20 root of 6. And B1 is 50 minus 20 root of 6. Okay, let's solve the second part. A2, we say that B is equal to 100 minus A. So our B2 is going to be 100 minus 50 minus 20 root 6. So in this case, we are going to get 100 minus 50 plus 20 root of 6. So our B2 is equal to 100 minus 50 is 50 plus 20 root of 6. Now A2 B2 is going to be 50 plus 20 root of 6. Okay, let me write it here so that it will be in order. So A2 B2 is also going to be A2 of 50 minus 20 root of 6. Sorry. Then B2 is 50 plus 20 root of 6. Okay. So these are the values of A1, B1. So now let's check to see, to check whether this solution set are correct or not. So in this case, we said A plus B is equal to 100. Okay. So our A, let's say A1, B1. So we say that 50 plus 20 root 6 plus 50 minus 20 root 6 is equal to 100. Now, this one can cancel this. So leaving 100, 50 plus 50 is 100, which is equal to 100. So it means that the solution, the first part works. Okay. Let's look for the second equation too. It says A multiplied by B is equal to 100. So now our A, so A1, or let's say A2, we're going to get 550 minus 20 root of 6, okay, multiplying by 50 plus 20 root of 6 should be, okay, so now we get 50 times 20, we get plus 1000 root 6. Then this and this minus 1000 root 6. Then this multiplied by this, we are going to get minus into bracket 20 root of 6 all squared. And this should give us 100. Okay. Now we can cancel this ones out. So let's continue from here. We are having 2500. Then this 100 root 6 will cancel negative 100 root 6, leaving so this one, which is negative 20 squared, we are getting 400 multiplied by 6. And this should give us 100. Okay. So now, you can say that 2500 minus the 400 times 6, you have 2400, which will give us 100. 2500 minus 2400, we are getting 100 here, which is equal to 100. So it means that our solution set, which is A1, B1, that was 50 plus 20 root 6, then 50 minus 20 root 6, then A2, B2, which was also 50 minus 20 root 6, then 50 plus 20 root 6 are the solution for the system. So it means that our solution is correct. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.